Hi, I'm Prof. Johnny. Welcome to Goodwill Training and Assessment Center Incorporated. May kasabihan tayo, nasa Diyos ang awa, nasa tao ang gawa. So ano pa hinihintay natin? Tara na at gawa na tayo! I'm going to show you how to use the surface contour measuring machine with the help of the trainer from Kernhill Metrology, Philippines.
This is our Surfcom Next 031. This is an interchangeable surface roughness tester and the contour measuring machine. First, we will show you on how this works on a contour measuring machine. So, there will be a piece that will be measured with our stylus system. The diameter of the stylus is around 25 microns with a range of 100 on x-axis and 60 mm on z-axis. So, you can vary the speed using our software. After the measurement, there will be the 2D data after the tracing. From here, we can do the 2D analysis. We can get the diameters, the angles, and some distances. This is how it works. First, we can select some lines. The lines will serve as our alignment. And we can get also diameters of some circles. Here we'll be getting the intersection of two lines and get the distance from the circle up to this intersection. Now we have the measurements using our contour measuring machine. From here, we can get distances, diameters, and also other special functions. Now we can proceed with our surface roughness testers. We will be changing the sensor from the contour measuring machine. We change to a roughness tester. So this will be manually changed using some special tools. So now this is our detector, or what we call pick up, for the surface roughness. The stylus we are using is around 2 microns on the tip. After changing our detectors, now we can switch our measuring machine from contour measuring machine now to surface roughness tester. We'll use this one to elevate our sample part. We'll be using a roughness specimen for our roughness testing. Here, there's a 3.18 microns of RA, so we will check if this can be measured using our roughness tester. Now we have changed our Acti software from contour. Now we have a roughness measuring. So we'll just be setting our parameters here. We'll setting our measurement length, then the measurement speed. After that, we'll go to our machine to set the starting point for the measurement. This machine has an auto stop function, meaning even if you press this joystick going down, if it's already leveled, it will stop moving. Now we are ready for measurement. We just press this button, the measurement button. It will start the measurement. Now it shows the tracing of the waveform from our surface specimen. After the measurement, this will show you the result of our measurement. RA is around 3.14. RA is our roughness average for the entire 4 mm of the roughness specimen. This printout can also be printed to a PDF or to our printer installed.
Thank you very much.